Speaker sir, Home Departmentaचे उलयतना पयले सुवातेर I begin by commending the bravery and services of our brave police and emergency services. पयले सुवातेर म्हाका दिसता Speaker sir. But however, जेन्ना हांव हें म्हणटा, there are a lot of rotten apples everywhere where we go, and this has basically brought bad name to their colleagues in the police department. आता Speaker sir, of late, म्हाका दिसता police personnel they are on the radar of the department for being addicted to alcohol, drugs and even gambling. Speaker sir, हो एक note म्हाका दिसता viral जालो आनी ह्या नोटान बारीकशें signed by the SP. It has been reported that nowadays there is an increase in the number of alcohol and drug addicts among police officials, thus spoiling physical as well as mental health. And the police station units, restrooms have become places of officers as well as lower staff to consume alcohol. Drugs on duty and gambling is part of activities in police stations and units. Yes, because Zoritor Choilyar, this is an absolutely shocking thing. And yes, because this internal note moved within the department itself, because has flagged off concerns of alcoholism, drug abuse among police officials today. Policeui tinga zoritor sogle ganja, soro, kadani, हे सगळे जर ते police कुते जाल्यार common manan आणि कित करपाचे Speaker sir. And I believe there has to be seriousness. And if there is no seriousness, the immediate and stringent actions on these addicted people during duty hours has to be taken. Because जायते सुविधाय they do, counseling, anti-alcoholism, anti-narcotism, जे seminar जावपाक जाय. हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता the government basically has failed to bring immediate measures to curb this rising trend. And that's because the police, although they have performed well in nabbing the culprits, but because if you look at the conviction rate, conviction rate of the apprehend is very low. Conviction rate, overall conviction rate of India is about 57%. And if you look at the Goa conviction rate, it is about, for 2022 with criminal cases was 25.7%. And in 2023, this further dropped to 19.8%. So, who now a conviction rate?
Overall, it comes to the 40%. Atachi just recent, specific
overall, India's 57%
improve 40%.
No, we improved, but India's 57%. Speaker sir, this is basically because of the failure to collect evidence. And je witness asta, because the department has failed with this department. That is why basically this crime detection, because I believe is ये conviction conviction हुई ना हो देवों था. Because crime against women, every young girl today वाढो था कि त्याग वाढता जायत तरेचे migrant non-Goans are involved in this sexual crimes against women. जेन्ना हे जाता we proposed for a calling attention move जाल्ले, you all proposed that a bill आटले म्हण. Because a conviction of crime against women, conviction आचे सांगता तुका. In Goa is 21%. And national average is 26%. Pendency of such cases, because is almost 95.3%. Because crime against children, figures conviction rate of cases in Goa is 13.8%. And 19.8% for the national average. So the pendency of child-related cases is almost 96%. Because एक incident जो जालो आसा गांव या आसा गांव मुखार गांव आमचे आस्तले काय कितें has exposed the entire department. आमी त्या जाग्यार आमी गेल्ले, सकाळी गेल्ले, मागीर रातीको मुख्यमंत्री आयलो, local MLA आहली. But because of what actually happened there, because local MLA Delilah Lobo also was there. She was also trying to help around. But what turned, I think the people of Goa need to understand and need to know कित्याक इफ यू लूक एट द नेक्सस बिटवीन पुलीस पॉलिटिशियन्स आनी क्रिमिनल दीस हें नेक्सस हूंय ना हूंय आहा मो हें आमकां खबर आसा बिकॉज सर एंड इट लुक्स लायक सेवरल ऑफिसर्स वर इनवॉल्वड with Delhi land investors and bankers. Speaker sir, the reality of how the police are lawbreakers instead of law enforcers, in particular case in Amka, we came to know, and this police criminality, it was exposed. Speaker sir, I take this opportunity to put it on record that a lot of central politicians, officers, yes, soglangeli inga goyan property high. Property high. स्पीकर सर जायते प्रॉक्सी नांवान पूण आहाय जायते मिनिस्टरांनी सगळ्यांनी स्पीकर सर LAQ जोरी तर आमी चोयल्यार आमकां जबाब दिला की विथ दीस पर्टिक्युलर आसागांव इन्सिडंट that the inquiry is in progress and no role of any police officer has been established. If there was no role, जाल्यार तांकां सस्पेंड कित्याक केले जे आहले ते थिंगा तांकां सस्पेंड कित्याक केले बिकॉज इट इज क्लियर दॅट म्हाका दिसता हूंय ना हूंय the state home ministry basically has failed. आता ज्या पद्धतीन crimes against women are rising with convictions as minor exceptions. आनीक if you look at the cyber crime आजे जेन्ना आमी उलयले स्पीकर सर आज our police force seems to be under prepared when it comes to cyber crime. तुमचे कडेन एक high proactive cyber cell म्हाका दिसता that works with other agencies हें इस्टेब्लीश जावपाक जाय फक्त ही कंप्लेन रजिस्टर जाताय जेन्ना कंप्लेन रजिस्टर जाताय रजिस्टरिंग ऑफ सायबर कंप्लेन इज नो वे टू टॅकल दी एक्चुअल सायबर क्रायम अपार्ट फ्रॉम फक्त लोकांक एडवायज करप आनीक डिटेक्शन एंड प्रिवेंशन हें म्हाका दिसता हूंय ना हूंय सायबर क्रायम हूंय ना हूंय वी हॅव बेजिकली फेल्ड ड्रग्साचे मागीर येता स्पीकर सर आय हॅव सीन जे म्हाका दिसता आज द वे ड्रग मेनन्स ऑल्सो आयच्या दिसाकूय आनी एक रेड आय थिंक अबाउट चरस गांजा हें हिंग गोंय सारकें मेळत आसा वाडत आसा स्पीकर सर आज एक म्हाका दिसता आफ्टर दीस आसागांव इन्सिडंट बाउन्सर आनी पुलीस देर सिम्स टू बी सम कनेक्शन वी सॉ इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टायम इन दी ओपन इन 2024 आनीक हें म्हाका दिसता दिस कूड बी जस्ट अ टीप ऑफ द आयसबर्ग कित्याक आज आमकां दिसता आउटसायड पुलीस स्टेशन पीपल आर एजिटेटींग डिमांडींग फॉर फायलींग ऑफ FIRs डिमांडींग फॉर अरेस्ट हें गोंय पयलीं केन्ना जायना आहलें स्पीकर सर 2024 पॉट डेव्हलपमेंट जाली विथ रिगार्ड्स टू दी होम डिपार्टमेंट इज एब्सोल्युटली शॉकिंग आनी म्हाका दिसता दीज आर इंडिकेटर्स दॅट द पीपल आर लुजींग फेथ इन द पुलीस आतां when we speak about crime against tourists, I think the Canadian government advises its female citizens to be careful while traveling to Goa. Je advisory maga dista is still active only with pertaining to Goa and Delhi. Because of when due to high rates of violence against women, maga dista you need to check, speak to the External Affairs Ministry, speak to the double engine and get this clarified. Because फक्त दिल्ली आहा आनी गोंयांत आनी खंयचे स्टेटी ना बिकॉज वी नो दॅट कॅनडाचे हें दे हॅव पास्ट एडवायजरी आहा तेंगेली की क्रायम अगेन्स्ट टुरिस्ट
कोणा कॅनेडियन
हय दिल्ली आनी हिंगा आहा ते आजून भायर काडना तेमी ते मातशें उलय ते मागीर हें कितें जाता तेचो
दिल्ली ताका सांगलें
तेका खबर आहा ती बिकॉज जे 3 कायदे नये पास केले with the Indian Penal Code anik I believe that they are passed now I'm pointing out about the changes in laws म्हाका दिसता without mindset जरी तो लोकांनी if the department fails to make sure that the mindset attitudes and the functioning of the police म्हाका दिसता the police department functioning will be less effective थोडेशे आमगेले आहाय that project themselves as saviors. It's because of basically gaps in orientation, training of police officers and personal department आजे हुई ना हुई चुकता हे म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीन हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय जेलीचेर हांव मागीर येता पूण crimes in jails, reports of drugs, jail administrations, all these things need to be looked into very, very seriously. And that's because जे road accident जाता आणि with regards to road accidents, last calendar year, एक 5 दिसांनी 5 deaths in 1 week. आणि if you look at the figures because of this year, from January to April 2024, 852 accidents have taken place, out of which 99 people have lost their lives, 130 people were grievously injured, and 276 got minor injuries. It's because आन्सर जेन्ना आमकां डिपार्टमेंट दिता ते म्हणटा कोण टुक्को राती घेताय ड्रिंक एंड ड्रायव्हिंग irresponsible driving, stray cattle, animals, if these are all the basic reasons given to us. But hui na hui maga distas because accidents are killing people like insects. And if you look at the way this is rising, Honorable Chief Minister needs to look at it. I believe the GCCI and GIM has also written to you to reduce these road accidents. The improvement of road infrastructure जावपाक जाय. Law enforcement आचे हुई agency हुई ना हुई हम fail जाता है. I believe because this is something that is a very very serious thing. आता cyber crime आचे जेन्ना आम उलयतना मुखेलमंत्री बाब जो तुगेलो helpline number हा 1930 cyber crime portal. However, there are crimes जे पडे हा त्या पोर्टलाचेर चलले ते उण जायनाय. उण कित्याक जायनाय because sir 300% rise high, 300% rise in cyber crime since 2020 as per the NCRB statistics. According to them, it's because of 21 to 22, only one person has been convicted. The cyber crime, this is something that in Elton Bab na, konager mobile na kit gelne, takachko, te magi azun teje zap na. खबर आहा तुका कसलो व्हिडिओ आनी कितें जालो तें ह्याच सभागृहांत जाल्लें त्या वेळार पूण तें मागीर अजून एक केस जरी तर तुम जाग्यार गायनाय जाल्यार म्हाका एक केस कन्विक्शन जालेली आहा बिकॉज तुवें कित यू हॅव सेड दॅट यू आर स्ट्रेंथनिंग युअर सायबर सेल सो वॉट आर यू गोइंग टू स्ट्रेंथन यू नीड टू इनकॉर्पोरेट वॉट टेक्नॉलॉजी वॉट इज बेटर फॉर सो दॅट दीस सायबर क्रिमिनल्स आर नेप्ड वॉट इज द टेक्नॉलॉजी दॅट यू वील यूज बिकॉज आतां मेन होमा अंडर जो casino aha. Ada yeah casino just because this comes under the purview of the Home Department, and I believe that this is basically a curse to Goa, and basically people in Goa have suffered and are continuing to suffer. मुखेलमंत्री बाब हे मातशें आयक काबराल एक मिनट ये कसिनो पडे हा ही तुगेली संस्कृती न्हू म्हाकाय खबर आहा तुगेली इट्स नॉट योर कल्चर. It's not your culture. It is not your culture. So I'm just trying to tell you, this is a very serious thing. It doesn't suit Goa. Whether you are going to look into it, time and over again, म्हाका दिसता तुमी देवला saying that how got revenue generate कोताय कोणान हाडले आनी मागीर आम कितें करपाचें तें बंद करा. बंद करा स्पीकर सर कित्याक जे 349 crores jenna revenue you are supposed to receive amiti now geli when will you receive about these land casinos have you written to them te dustu googli gaili ki kon kota ha to azun on hai grand hayata example sangot tuka soglange now ge now so write a letter to them otherwise we will have to agitate manya mukhyamantri 349 crores when you will recover tu am sangche slot machine je chaltay हांव तुकाय शाबाशकी दिता गेले त्या पुसाय काणकोण बंद केलें तुगे उदाहरण घेनाय मुखेलमंत्री सांगलें आनी आमगे आन कुंकळ बंद आहा ते मेशीन हें बंद आहा कितें ऑनलायन गॅमलींग इतले भुरगे हाव मेनी यंग पीपल हॅव लॉस्ट देयर लायव्स बोटीचे जे जोटाले ते थिंग दिसा भितर मोडक्या भाशी थिंग मोडक्या नंबर तर सकाळी एक येता राती एक येता हिंग मिनट्यान एक नंबर आनी हूंय ना हूंय इतले लायफ लोकां गेले काबार जाता पण मान्य मुखेलमंत्रीक हांव मागोता The government of Tamil Nadu has come with some app that can trace. I gave you a suggestion last time. Please look into it, whether you can track them. Because these apps, because Don inga hai, Don je pade hai, je operator hu, eklo amke Elton Babig na, je maga dista headquarters. Or Don inga ha te Don open close Don to open hui jata close hui jata जायते भाशी. ते सगळे खबर हा, पण action घे नाही. हेडक्वार्टर हुई थिंग फातोड्डा हा मू सांगताय सगळे जाण मग काय जायना स्पीकर तुका
डॉन तू हांगाच म्हणटा
डॉन गोंया हा गोंयांत
गोंयांत हांव म्हाका दिसता तू हांगा सभागृहांत म्हणटा
आतां जे हे ऑफ शोर कसिनो आहाय हुंय ना हुंय म्हाका दिसता तुवें यू हॅव टू लूक एट दीस व्हेरी व्हेरी सिरियसली. ऑफ शो कसिनोचें जें डेफिनेशन आशिल्लें इनिशियली आय बिलीव जे तांकां रिलोकेट कोतले म्हूण. When will you relocate them, or every time you give them extension 6 months, 12 months, it is एक प्रथा जाल्या. Are you, I have said, ही तुगेली संस्कृती न्हू, it is not in your culture. Will you work on it? Or still more extensions will you give? हेजेर मातशें हांग जबाब दी, मागीर तूं लास्टा जबाब दिना. म्हाका मातशें एक कोण, there is some one small this, that is why I am speaking first. मातशें दी, हांव मागीर तुका
तुका
जाता.
जबाब त्या वेळार पयलीं दिवपाचो.
Because sir, जें आज part, the bad name as Goa has got with casinos, I believe that how are you going to change it? One fellow was saying he would change it in 100 days. I don't know what happened after that. They siding गेल्या सगळे change जाताय. So मातशें हें कितें ना कितें तुवें हेजेर एक कायदो काडपाक जाय. Because sir, Home Departmentaचे जेन्ना उलयतना temples, churches and other religious places, if you look, 35 cases have been taken place with robberies and other religious places from 2022 till date. This is your what your answer says. Safety जे बाउन्सराचे जे चलतात तुवें पयर रिप्लाय दिली की सेक्युरिटी एजन्सी रेग्युलेशन एक्ट 2005 दे कम अंडर दॅट. बट हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता बिकॉज 9 कंप्लेन्स आर रजिस्टर्ड आनी एज हे तुमी जे बाउन्सराक घेवन भावताय युआर ओके, बट जे दुसरे प्रायवेट बाउन्सराक घेवन भावता ते बंद जावपाक जाय. तें बंद करा. तुमी मंत्री जरी तर सगळे बाउन्सराक घेवन भोवल्यार मागीर तें हें जावपा कित्याक म्हाका दिसता स्पिकर सर हूंय ना हूंय ही मॅसेज रॉंग वयता. आतां कमिंग बॅक टू द ब्लॅक स्पॉट्स आनी एक्सिडंट स्पॉट्स, 33 accident prone zones, 33 black spots from 2023 till year. The surface transport minister, you had asked for 100 crores. And I think, I don't know whether it has been sanctioned, whether it has been approved. Yeah, black spot ache, if you look at the accidents, I pointed out 900 sumar accidents in the last 4-5 months. So many people have died. Apart from dying, there are so many injured. Because sir, हेजेर उपाय कितें? Development केला, but development जरी तर bad engineering and you don't have the foresight, हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता you have to look into this, rectify it and give us an answer when you, because last 2 years we are asking about these black spots. Because sir, crime against women, जे figures if you look from 2020 till date, it says 1,232 cases are registered. And 154 cases are registered in this year, from January to June. So this graph is also going high. I think you need to prepare an action plan to first control the crime against women and take steps for speedy trials. And कित्याक जाता तें म्हाका दिसता it is increasing every year. So you need to look into this, speaker sir. आतां FIR mo तुवें जेन्ना budget speech तुवें announcement केलें, speaker sir, I would like the honorable chief minister to tell us this FIR, what has happened to this? Has it been started? What are the benefits that the common man could get through it? Is something that you need to tell us. Headquarter, जे तूं बांदता मुझ सांगला खूंय सांग्यार फातोड्डा एशी बांदीत तूं आम सांगलो तुका थिंग शांदोर तें सात चलना मो. हांवें तुका पयर सांगिल्लें कुंकोळती मातशी एक गाडी धाड मो, तेंगे ती बॉन्ड पडोत आहा. आज सकाळ हांको PIN फोन मारला की आनी ते क्रिम्युदोर आमी धांवत रावतले, तुमगे ती गाडी जरी तर पावना जाल्यार बिकॉज हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता यू लूक एट दीस, इट्स व्हेरी व्हेरी सिरियस थिंग. पुलीस स्टेशनूय उदो पावता. सो हूंय ना हूंय तुवें चोयचें बारीकशें चांदोरचे गांवांत जें आमचें एक चॅकपोस्ट आहा, आउटपोस्ट, तो आउटपोस्ट आनी इज आउटडेटेड. थिंगान गेल्या सारको भूत बंगलो. सो आय हॅव रिटर्न टू यू लास्ट इयर, यू प्रॉमिस्ड मी यू वूड डू इट. मातशें फातोड्डा बी हें जाता तें मातशें एशी मातशें इलें सायडी बी हांकां इलें कोण दी, सगलें थिंगा कोनाका. स्पिकर सर, जें मडगांव फातोड्डा एकूच. Speaker sir, with regards to the anti-human trafficking unit, ये जे निर्भया फंड आहा 13.5 लाख रुपयाचे प्रोविजन केला. I believe that this is the need of the hour, but with this anti-human trafficking cell, Speaker sir, what provision you can explain that what is the process that they do with this anti-human trafficking? If you can speak, get a reply and tell us how do they operate and whether it is a success, because there's only 13.5 lakhs of provision made. Speaker sir, under budget head 03 with regards to police of the coastal security, Anik forensic science and laboratory for the last 2 years, Speaker sir, under provision of this, Speaker sir, the chief minister should tell us why no provision has been made last year also, this year also. The coastal security and police area, whether some other grants is substituting, you just check and let us know. Because similarly, BA budget had 02 with regards to Indian Reserve Battalion. There are no funds have been provided. So why no funds have been provided? Whether you are supplementing it from somewhere else, please let us know. Because I believe that with the outdated vehicles across the state, police vehicle equipment is outdated. SIT investigation jata. I brought it to the notice of the Honorable Chief Minister. Transfers took place when investigation was going on. There was a lot of people also demanded properties. हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्री हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय and resolve this issue. And कोण हे सगळे हिंगा हितून हे जाता ते because जेन्ना कालच्या दिसाक 6/8/2024 हांव आतां बसून आन्सर चोयतालो. As per your reply LAQ 1B from March 2022 to March 2024, Speaker sir, आज जोरी तोर murder चोयल्यार from 2020 till date 146 murders जाले. Kidnapping from 2020 till date 391 cases. Rape from 2020 till date 555 cases. Molestation from 20 till date 498 cases. So Speaker sir, हुई ना हुई चोयल्यार ये figure वाडत आहा. हे वाडटा कित्याक मुखेलमंत्रीन हेजेर आमकां दिसता लक्ष घालून आन्सर दिवपाक जाय. Speaker sir, जेल्साचे उलयतना आज you have Honorable Chief Minister has said that he would provide solar panels on the rooftop to the extent of the central Kolwale jail by spending 1 crore. हे घायला काय कितें ते solar panel घायला. Speaker sir, today if you look जे Kolwale जे jail आहा, it has become, Speaker sir, what is happening beyond its wall is spoken about all across the country. Manya Mantri, Mukhyamantri, Telangana police have stated that one of the biggest countrywide drug racket operates from the central Kolwale jail. This is the statement of the Telangana police. Speaker sir,
because the Telangana police किती म्हणटलो आणि तो आम्ही already जे आपण त्याचे स्पीकर सर already त्याका लेटर बरयला
Speaker
आणि त्याका झाला already होम मिनिस्टर लेटर
Hyderabad policean Anik Telangana Anti-Narcotics Bureau conducted a raid. A raid was conducted for a rave party in a 5-star Gachibowli. Tinga tenka raid conduct kota astana he sogle input mena. Ata Speaker sir, you write Chief Minister Abure martu. My reply kidela.
Reply दिवला त्यांच्याने अजून.
At tunge हा मग support करतो.
आता बोलायचं म्हणून.
हां? मार मग तू फोन मारा नी चार माग सांग सांजे. चंद्रबाबू मार फोन त्या कान सांग हे कित रिप्लाय हा का मग. स्पीकर सर, कोलवाले जेल
बरयल्ले ते.
हां?
पयली बरयल्ले ते म्हटला जाणा.
आम्हा रिप्लाय येईल ना? ना माझी चेक कर हे सिरियस. तो मोठ आख्खे कोलवाले जेल इज द बिगेस्ट crime activity happening. Speaker sir, बरोयल ते जाले मागीर रिप्लाय मातशें सांग आमकां मातशें उलय तूं ते कडेन. स्पीकर सर, कोलवाले जेल जे सेल फोन इन द 100 लोकांक फोन मेळे आनी तें तुवें कोणा बरयतो तूं हें तुगेलें
सगळे सीज केले आमी.
सीज केले ते जाल्यार आजून चलते थिंगा एक बायल घेवन वयता भितर आमकां रिपोर्ट मेळ्ळा की भितर घेवन वयता तो धोलते का. स्पीकर सर, लास्ट मंथ दिस इज अ वेरी सिरियस थिंग. 14-year-old girl that was raped. Basically, rape survivor was traumatized again when she received a call from that fellow who raped. The 44-year-old person called her and threatened her. This is very serious because jeli zori tor munis e bhashen korpa laglas because I believe they are sent by the court to face their sentence. And their phone man jo jelintlan tori anko dhamki diupa lagale. Salar hui na hui, I believe that this is a very serious thing. You have to make sure that this jail is not converted for criminal activities. Tinga dusre je हांव उलयना पयर दिसताले कोण व्हिडिओ शूट हें काण सारके शूटिंग काण बी ते टाक 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 कसो भोंवताले ते व्हिडिओ भायर येताले पयले. थिंगसो हें ऑपरेट जाता जाल्यार मातशें तूं तेजेर हें लक्ष घाल रिप्लाय घे आनी हें सारकें सांग. स्पीकर सर, स्पीकिंग ऑन द फायर एंड एमर्जन्सी सर्विसेस, आज when we asked, I believe that this department is ill-equipped. Tugele 1,106 just sanctioned staff as per reply. 900 available staff and 260 vacant post hai. 86 फायर फायटर वेकन्सीज आहे, 58 ऑपरेटर वेकन्सी आहे. LAQ जेन्ना आमी मागीले की फायर ब्रिगेड हुंच मॉडेल आहे काम सगळे जे काँग्रेसीन हाडले, बिचोले 2000, पोरवोरे 2008, म्हापसा 2006, व्हेकल पिलेन 2008.
उपरांत सगळे कितें तशें धाडल्या काँग्रेसीन खंयचे हाडल्या 10-15 वर्सां जाली.
म्हाका लेटस्ट मॉडेल लेटस्ट ती दिल ती ही आहा रे, ही भायर मारो जाता. स्पीकर सर सारकीच हे. आनी एक प्रश्न, जे ड्रायव्हर आहे विथ द पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट, आय थिंक तेंगे प्रमोशन बिकॉज ऑफ सम नोट हेज बीन लेफ्ट. तुवें जरी तो तरी लक्ष घाल्ल्यार म्हाका दिसता सेवरल ऑफ दॅट हेजेर तुवें मातशें वाय शूड दे सफर. तुका खबर आहा तो इशू अबाउट द ड्रायव्हर्स प्रमोशन. मातशें बरोय तूं मातशें हांगा तें आन्सर दी. दितलो मात तूं मागीर तूं ना ते पेज झाप कोरून मागीर कांय दिना. आज लास्ट दीस. स्पीकर सर जे विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटाचे जेन्ना उलयतना बेजिकली दी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर यूज वर्ड्स एंड न्यूट्रल लोकां आपूण म्हणजे थिंग विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटाक घातो इन योर बजेट स्पीच आय रेड इट. सो पयलीं आहले ते कितें कोताले, सो मेनी केसीस आर पेंडींग एंड इट्स रायट दॅट ही पूट. सो पयलीं इतली वर्सां आतां की केस पेंडींग आहल्यो, वाय वर दे पेंडींग. सो न्यूट्रल मनीस हे कोण इन द डिपार्टमेंट, यू प्लीज टेल अस. डिपार्टमेंटान तर तुवें गायले, तुगे जर तर चुकोन पार्टीचे मनशां बी थिंग भितर गायले जाल्यार दॅट तें डिपार्टमेंटान चलपाना. कित्याक स्पीकर सर जें मॅन पावर ट्रेनींग आनी जें इक्विपमेंट तांकां दिवपा जाय तें इक्विपमेंट हूंय ना हूंय तांकां तें पावनाय. 2019 टील डेट्स बिकॉज ऑफ सो मेनी ट्रेनींग कॅम्प जाले ना, सेमिनार जाले नाय, कॉन्फरन्सीस जाले नाय. वॉट इज द विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंट डुईंग? स्पीकर सर एक रिप्लाय मुकोडे आहा की हांवें गॅजेट्स कितें हांवें काम विचारलें. म्हाका हें मेळ्ळा की तेंकोडे एक सोनी कॅसट रिकॉर्डर आहा. कॅसट रिकॉर्डर आनी खुंयच्या तेंपाचो कॅसट रिकॉर्डर, कॅमेरा सोनी सायबर शॉट, सोनी हेडफोन आनी इयरफोन, हें इक्विपमेंट हांव आन्सर दिलां. आनी स्पीकर सर आय डोंट नो हाव द विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंट हॅज टू, यू हॅव टू एम्पावर द गोवा लोकायुक्त ऑल्सो. स्पीकर सर होमगार्ड आनी सिवील डिफेन्साचे जेन्ना आमी उलयतना जे रेग्युलरायज तांकां करपाक जाय मोर दॅन 15 years, हो इशू इज समथींग दॅट इज अक्रॉस सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीचे ते आहाय.
स्पीकर सर ताका खबरूच ना. पयले फावटी होमगार्डांक जर रेग्युलरायज करून पुलीस केले आसत जाल्यार ते गोंय
आनी उलय तेंक कोर मुटा.
अरे उरले तेंकाय करता खंयच्याच स्टेट
उलय तेंक मुळें
ताका 10 वर्सां सर्वीस कंप्लीट जाल्या उपरांत
आनी उलय कितले उलय.
स्पीकर सर ताका सांग हेच्या पयलीं केन्नाच जावंक नाशिल्लें.
जावंक नाशिल्लें आतां अजून जाय मातशें आतां कोर तूं उलय तेंगे कोर. स्पीकर सर आतां येता सारकें PWDचे येतना स्पीकर सर ना हिंगा वन्स अपॉन अ टायम सिनियर मेंबर सुदीन बाब आको सदां आसतालो. हांवें जायत पुसा चोयलें हुंयच्यान वच PWD म्हणटा ते कोडे मागीर ते आतां अंकलाक आहलें हांवें ना म्हणलां पूण तेको चड तेको आहलो न्ही. स्पीकर सर हें जें तूं कोर आतां हय स्पीकर सर जें इट वेंट फायनली टू अदर मिनिस्टर्स. ते काळो जो बोवाड मारता म्हाका तरी दिसोता ते मेटमू पोत्तें तो बोवाड पड मारता तेजें कोटा की बरें पावल मू तेगेलें बोगलें तेच खात मेट जाल्यार म्हाका खबर ना. बट स्पीकर सर एनीवेज इट इज गॉन टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर. Your provision of 2975 crores is you've given a hike of 10.75% over the revised estimates of last year. Because you have mentioned about a pothole जे हड्डे पड रस्त्यार पावताय हड्डे दिसती पडपा नाय म्हणून उतर दिल्लें आज. इट इज अ व्हेरी सिरियस थिंग एंड इवन द चीफ मिनिस्टर नोज इट दॅट हे हड्डे आज सगळे वाडले. इतले हड्डपडे वाडले गोंयभर हूंय ना हूंय. You said that you would fast track it. App is there. But that app, for instance, is not enough with the about. So it looks at substandard work carried out by the contractor. Aaj, Speaker sir, hui na hui choilyar. This is something that is very, very important. PWD, with regards to your new water treatment plant, you have proposed 25 MLD in Ganje, in Thuye 30 MLD, 10 MLD in Pale. Ye sogle zori tor choilyar maga disa tu ye you have to start the work. There is no doubt about it because आज फिगर जोरी तो चोयल्यार स्पीकर सर 38% non-revenue water पड जाता is because of leakages of the supply chain. आनीक मुखेलमंत्री आमकां in the budget you have said that you are going to make smart water utility state. हर घर जल मू सांगलोलें आनी ते हर घर जलाचे आनी मातशें रावन येता पूण हे स्मार्ट वॉटर युटिलिटी वॉट इज द पर्पज बिकॉज नॉन रेव्हेन्यू you said your focus will be on non-revenue and water reduction programache. So you please explain to us, including advanced metering and replace of the old pipe haite. Because I believe that we are running out of time. Anik water pipeline je burst hai, this is a major issue. 10 to 50% of the pipes have been replaced. Everyone wants it to be replaced all across. So what is the plan? Kidak udka timer तो म्हणून लावलो 24 वर उदो दिता काब्रालान आन्सर साथ दिल्लो 4 वर तरी पावतलो सकाळ संकल्प म्हणटालो केन्ना केन्ना 2 वर येत आनी कितली वर येतली ते तुवें हांग दिचें उतर आज सद्या तो एकलो म्हणटालो 24/7 एकलो 24/4 एकलो म्हणटालो 2 वरां कितली ते तुवें दिचें तें म्हाका तुवें सांगचें बिकॉज आमचो जो मेन अलायनमेंट हा हिंगान टाक्को नाका मातशें लाडू दिनाका कुंकोळेचो बायपास बोमा जाल तेज्या परस जातलें सारकें हें अप्रूव जाल्लें हिंग गेल्लें आय रेज्ड इट विथ यू विथ रिगार्डिंग टू दॅट बायपास थिंग दॅट हॅज टू बी बिल्ट ऑन द स्टिल्ट्स नाल्यार दुसरें बोमा जातलें आनी थिंग आख्खें कोलॅप्स जातलें हें तूं अप्रूव करून हाड मातशें बिकॉज फायनान्शियल टेक्निकली इट वॉज अप्रूव्ड ऑपवर्ड रूट हा फ्रॉम दांड्यावाडो टू पांजोरकोणी हें तुवें अप्रूव केल्लें काब्रालानूय जेन्ना अप्रूव केल्लें हें आनी ते पयर पांडे बारा तो आहलो तो एक मिटींग गेल्ली स्पिकर सर I request the Honorable Chief Minister, please look at this very, very seriously because displacing the people there is something that we will not tolerate. The people of Kunkolim will not tolerate. Speaker sir, I believe you take the credit of national highways, Zuari Bridge, Atal Setu, all is good. I'm not saying you've not done development, but if you look, lot of leakages, a lot of they say complaint of substandard. तो एकलो पड आहा नातू ओ जावं तो हांवें नांव गेलें तें गेलें ताका मातशें आपय ते कडेन मातशें ताका ब्लॅक लिस्ट कर IIT ते येतले आनी तें म्हाका खबर ना तें हें मुखार जावपाचें ओ जावपा न्हू तें मातशें जे हे स्पिकर सर आमचे मेन प्रश्न पळय हाय सब स्टँडर्ड वर्क इज हॅपनिंग एंड यू नीड टू सेट देम बाय एन एग्जाम्पल टर्मिनेट देम blacklist them. I hope you take this because of very, very seriously. कित्याक थोडोसो जरी तो drizzle also with a drizzle also आज हुई ना रस्ते सारके they get washed away. In my constituency personally तुवें उतर दिलें थिंग ते आमी इंजिनियरा फोन मारले ते येयले पूण ते म्हणटा आनी कांय करूं जायना मग एक दीस जालें कालचे राती हांको पावस पडले हांको बुडोलें हें हुई ना हुई स्पिकर सर whether the PWD has to be named as the Poor Works Department I don't know. Speaker sir, with regards to unscientific road and engineering, particularly at the bypass at Davli Ponda, a lot of deaths have also taken place from directly to Farmagudi by passing through Ponda or stretch Padha. What is your plan towards this particular stretch? Udka accumulation sagla jata. This is because of poor design, poor engineering, poor quality works. This is one of the prime reasons because आता कला अकॅडमीचे येता कला अकॅडमीचे जेन्ना उलयतना स्पिकर सर आमी सांगलोलें की एक ज्युडिशियल इन्क्वायरी जावपाक जाय म्हणून बिकॉज PWD हॅज एक्झिक्युटेड दीज वर्क्स दीस हॅज कॉस्टेड क्रोर्स ऑफ रुपीज विदाउट टेकिंग इन टू कॉन्फिडन्स दी आर्टिस्टा जेन्ना गेले स्पिकर सर जें लिकेज जाला इन द दिनानाथ मंगेशकर ऑडिटोरियम एंड द ब्लॅक बॉक्स आय हॅव पर्सनली ऑल्सो सीन इट सीपेज इज दे टू द वॉल्स वॉलांतल्यान उदो येता लायनींतल्यान इलेक्ट्रिसिटी थिंगा स्पिकर सर एवरीथींग इज वेट AC युनीट पड आहा तो शिफ्ट जावपाक जाय आशिल्लो तो थिंग वयर गायला लायट सावंड अकुस्टीक हेका जे म्हाका दिसता टेक्निकली चोयल्यार दे आर ऑल आउटडेटेड दे आर फावंड स्पिकर सर सब स्टँडर्ड आय एम सरप्रायज हाऊ स्पिकर द PWD एक्झिक्युटेड दीज वर्क्स रिलेटेड टू दीस जेन्ना टेक्निकल मनीस आसतना बिकॉज आय माय सेल्फ the equipment is old, sound is not, so somehow meeting kalakara bara tu kenna getlo held accountable whether PWD did it because PWD has supplied this particular thing. Accountability has to be taken place. Nala kitko jatle leakage जायना म्हणून हांव पर्सनली हांव तें ऑल हेंको ना स्पिकर सर बट आयव सीन थिंग सोकला हें गेल ते दोना another room below the black box all water was coming in the electricity wires also. This is risky. Speaker sir, speaking about water and sanitation, म्हाका दिसता की it is not only in Panjim, it is all across Sangyar, Saligaon, Penne, Bichole, Bardes, sogle kode म्हाका दिसता हुई ना हुई water scarcity चो problem हा. जे budget 22-23 तुवें म्हाका दिसता you have Honorable Chief Minister made a provision of 696 crores. However, what you spent was only 382 crores. Because 50% only you spent. So under allocation कित्याक जालें? It was supposed to be, it had to be executed. It's because हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता that आज रस्त्याचेर जे हड्डे हाय you show us the roads that where there are no potholes. It is absolutely there. PWD has done poor works. जे constructed court premises. And that the court premise जे बांधिले 120 crore. और ते जे oil हे आले छत जे आले जे the top roof it got blown away without inaugurating only. So Speaker sir, हुई ना हुई जे आमकां सकाळी कालच्या दिसाक आमी उलयले about several buildings. These buildings, Speaker sir, were basically 167 unsafe halle gelte orsak, anta 381 jali. Why did 214 in 1 year increase? Hui na hui, tu sangela, you've made 600 crores of provision. Please make sure that this happens. The PWD department should, Speaker sir, should not become like postal works department. Kidak, inga engineer and staff je tuge hai, they are looking like postal employees. How kidak sangta Speaker sir? You tu sign man dita, kona gele adai na. But tej mukar kit जाते kai kona? हे लाडू जाल्यार खबर ना टायम कितू 2-3 वर्सां रावपाची स्पीकर सर हे कन्सल्टंट जे पण अपॉइंट केलाय PWD कन्सल्टंट जे अपॉइंट केलाय PWD ना हांव मुगे ते लिस्ट दित तुका कितले सायन मारले ते फायल प्रोसेसूच जायनाय MLA लेडाची हांव उलयना MLA लेडा आतां फंड कॅरी फॉरवर्ड जाता गेले एवरी इयर हां कॅरी फॉरवर्ड चाल मा तुका MLA लेडीज Speaker sir, आता ये consultant जे पण appoint केलाय, they do show less thing to the PWD department and more loyalty to the contractors. आणि म्हाका दिसता smart city जाल ते भाशेन जरी तर मुखार जालें जाल्यार आमकां सगळ्यांक त्रास जातले Speaker sir. आज आयच्या दिसाक I was trying to get to your attention today. There was another video that surfaced outside GMC and the blockage, traffic congestion. If some heart patients have to be taken in. They are all sark choco block. Next day you send some people there to the PWD. They try to clean, but that is not the solution. Because when GMC is there, whatever needs to be done, patient taken into the sent to GMC itself is a serious thing. An ambulance passage जरी तर block जाता, हुई ना हुई तुयें तेजेर एक कितें ना कितें उपाय काडपाक जाय. Speaker sir, जेन्ना आमी एक हांव तुका दाखोवन दिता defects DLP मो आसता. DLP, that is defects liability period. And आमी प्रश्न विचारले. Now this is the second time. I had asked last time in January. This defect liability period, Speaker sir, is for works awarded and repairs. जरी तो रस्त गेले जाल्यार the contractor has to repair this at their own cost. And I had asked for details of the quality control check conducted by JE to Principal Chief Engineer of MSRITES. This is a central government agency of various road works from 2019 till date. I इंचालने की बाबा कितें काम कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आबी जबाबदार दोल कामू ते इतू बिजी हाय जानेवारी सो आन्सरू दिनाय म्हाका स्पीकर सर जानेवारी सो आन्सरू दिनाय म्हाका स्पीकर सर आय वांट टू ब्रिंग इट टू युअर नोटीस जानेवारी आमी हाडले आदे सो सारके इतले स्किलफुल एकूय आन्सर दिनाय हाऊ मेनी हॅव यू डन because I have an RTI. You tell me your answer, then after I will tell you what is my answer to the RTI. Because this is a very serious thing which you can catch these contractors accountable to do if substandard work zala. All the MLAs will agree that throughout the constituency it is happening. 2-3 or 2-3 वर्सां हुंयच रोस्त सारको उरता चुकोन उरता स्पीकर सर हुंय ना हुंय हेजेर you have to act as per that act. स्पीकर सर जे नॅशनल हायवे बांधले त्या नॅशनल हायवे भायर टॉयलेट वॉशरूम ड्रिंकिंग वॉटर इज देर एनी प्रोविजन or any facility that the Honorable Chief Minister is planning to do? जे Cabral Bab, जे last 6 months ago, जेन्ना he was PWD minister, at that time he said that there was a provision. And so Honorable Chief Minister, I'm सांगचे whether this proposal has been moved. आनीक स्पेशली आतां वेर्ना जंक्शनाचें जें कंजेशन जाता तूं मूठ 40 मिनटान पावताय मग थिंग 10-20 मिनटां थिंग उताय आमी तूं मूठ ब्रिज केल्याय मग हिंगसो हिंग पावपा थिंगाय मातशें कितें कोर
काय करता
हय स्पीकर सर जें म्हाका दिसता आमी बाणालेचे जो बाब वेन्झी सांगतालो फॉर बायपास टू बी बिल्ट ऑन स्टिल्स लास्ट टायम 6 months back he raised this issue through calling attention. Today at that time you said because NGT High Court and not required. Today you see the state there because the recent rain fury has presented the truth and reality. Soglen thing are blocks because the entire area has got flooded. So whether you will look into this type of things. Boma is a prashna. What is your thing? Are you with the same formula? And Boma kelte mashe kunkod mash ko naka. Speaker sir, speaking on water supply, आज 131 crores you have spent. Kabar kota. Speaker sir, 131 crores you have spent on contractors, consultants, and you said Har Ghar Jal, because the reality is Panjim, Mapsa, Vasco, they are facing acute water problem. Speaker sir, I'll give you this fact, Honorable Chief Minister. I had WRDA question gatlalo ki regarding dynamic groundwater resources. Ani हे जेन्ना हो report येलो माननीय Chief Minister एमाचे आयक 62% of the groundwater as per WRD is extracted for domestic purpose. 62% of the water that they extract. 33% is for irrigation and 5% is for industries. So a lot of people are depending on this Har Ghar Jal. Yeah, maga dista if you counter check, your figures get exposed. Because when will this government be able to give 24/7? Sudin Babelo. So 24/7 तेगे स्वप्न आशिल्लें 24/7 उदो दिवपाक ते मागीर काब्रालान 4 और केलें तूं कितें और कोतो तें हांगा मातशें सांग स्पीकर सर जे बिल्डिंगाचें हांव उलयना वी हॅव टोल्ड यू अबाउट द सिग्निफिकंट लास्ट स्पीकिंग ऑन फायनान्स and that's because of few things I would like to point out to the Honorable Chief Minister. The public debt of the state of the government is something that we are being debating. It's something I jenna number adle त्या वेळार ना नंबराचे उलयना आनी हेच ना तेच ना केला but this is a very serious thing. I am strictly speaking on what I have seen in the CAG report. Today you will place the CAG report. If I find something in that, I will again point it out to you. Speaker sir, our Chief Minister takes satisfaction that the public borrowing is within the FRBM Act. You say you can borrow even more. I feel this is a rogue. हें एक दुयेंस आनी तूं एक दोतोर तुवें तें दुयेंस मारपा तूं इंजेसांव मारतालो टॅबलेट कितें दितलो दुसरी टॅबलेट न्हू सारकी तें मार रोग काबार कोन्न उडय आनी घेवपा वचनाकात म्हणाक आपूण आनी लोन बीन गेलना मो हूंय ना हूंय स्पिकर आनीकूय आहा दोतोर तें सारकें तेजें ऑपरेशन कर सार मार तेका फार आनी घेवपा वचनाका स्पिकर सर हें this is basically we are borrowing, we are, your attitude seems to be we borrow, we spend. This is what you are saying, you are within the limit. But ये वाढवता हाँ, वाढपा जोरी तो तू सांगले ना, उनके उन्हें क्या लाजल, I will give you credit. Because I don't know, this is the problem that you are creating for and leaving for your successor also. Maybe you never know who is your successor, whether you will be there, who will be there. But ये जे वाढवता हा आज ऋण बारीक सो जरी चोयला because it's rocket high. 31st March 2024, the figure was 27,352. Anik till 30th June 2024, it has increased to 27,489. In just few months, March to June, this has translated to 137 crores. Speaker sir, if you look at the finance minister's statement, what you estimated, कि तू estimate केल्लो 26,605 crores, but the actual thing as of June 30th is 27,489. So you have crossed by almost 900 crores. 8 months are still left to go on your figures what you have given. Means what you predicted and what has come because तुगे ते mining काय येल्ला भितर आनी हे सगळे हें जाला किचडी. Speaker sir, 2,000 crore you are paying towards interest. The statement that we are on a basically you are saying that we are सारखे सुसेगाद आहाय उदो हिंग पावला सारखे हिंगा पूण तूं सुसेगाद आहा पूण हूंय ना हूंय हें उदो दिवं हें मातशें उदो दिवं कितें हांव सांगत आसा because we are like a sinking ship. Otherwise this is going to be a complete mess. Two things because sir want to got another clarification that the government of, you have said that the government of India has released 1,661 crores for centrally sponsored schemes. Ata, what I saw is there is expenditure only of 757 crores. So central scheme is for 1,600, you have only 757. It's because this is around 50% of the utilization of the amount released on the central schemes. Where is the balance gone? Is something that the Honorable Chief Minister needs to clarify. It's because e-governance करपाक तुवें सांगिल्लें ते एक्सिस बँकात तुवें भायर मारलें तें बरें केलें म्हणजे तांकां ऑप्शन दिलां बट सगळ्या युनिफॉर्म हितून हाडलां. You said that various banks are done for e-governance, delivering public services. आणि majority जे bank आहे, is because you said that this would be dispersed through timely measures. I believe this is not true. If you look at the way pensions, now DSS, senior citizen, disabled person, widows to be made for pending high. So what are we trying to say? 2 महिने 3 महिने आज जरी तर असेंब्ली जाल म्हटरी डिमांडा होऊन ते पयस डिस्पर्स जाते मागीर त्याच नंतर 2-3 म्हयने उरताय. सो गिव देम सम क्लॅरिटी स्पिकर्स कित्याक इफ यू लूक तुगे मतदारसंघान पावस जाता आसतले तांकां 2,000 रुपया मेळटाय. त्यो बायल जाणटे बायल पड आमगे आहाय बँका वयता तांकां 400 रुपया डिस्पेस लागता वचपाक. बाबा येल रे पयशे कामो थिंग मॅनेजराक वयन जाताय ते पयशे येयले जाल्यार पोत घर वयताय आनी एक 15 दिसान हांको येता आनी एक 400 रुपया.
स्पीकर सर तांकां पयशे येयले काय मेसेज वयता मोबायलाचेर मागीरूच ती पयशे काडपाक वता वो कितेंय सांगता. स्पीकर सर आमी जर रीण काडटा सर जाल्यार रीण एक मिनीट स्पीकर सर रीण आमी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट करपाक काडटा आनी ताका कळपा खातीर सांगता FRBM लिमीट न्ही फाटल्या 3 म्हयन्याक मार्च पासून आतां पर्यंत एकूय पयसो रीण काडूं ना वयल्यान फायनान्शियल मॅनेजमेंट.
हांव तुवें रीण काडना म्हणा आनी उणकोर
उणोच केला हांवें
हें तूं पळय सांगता आपणाच्यान इतलें करूं जात मू आतां तें चेंज केलें तुवें
उणें केला वयल्यान म्हणून सांगता फाटल्या वर्साक 4,000 कोटी घेवपाक आशिल्ले
ते आनी घेनाका
2,700 crores.
ना हांव कितें म्हणटा हांवें जायत दुसरें जालें तुका तें बरें केलें तुवें गूड दॅट इट इज अ स्टार्ट. But I will congratulate you when you make sure that the figures are down. Figures are swelling. आज it is 35,000 or 37,000 crores. प्रत्येक गोंयकाराचे almost 2.5 लाखाचे रीण आहा. This is not figures that I am saying. This is the figures that you give us. Because हे जे लाडली लक्ष्मी स्कीम आहे आणि हे सगळ्यो जे आम उलयले हिंगा I request आणि Honorable Chief Minister please make sure that whatever we have spoken, I said it last time as well, you all take a note, all the opposition MLAs, ruling MLAs, there has to be a system. I think before the Chief Secretary is to write down, it is to go through a system. I don't know whether that system has been paralyzed. Please make sure that you do that. Because एक last हाजेर आमी उलयतना की CAG
गिलोटीन आटांक
म्हाका हांव कोत मरे काबार तेला पयलो उलयलां स्पिकर 2 मिनटान काबार कोता. Speaker sir, 31st March 2020, it stated that the off-budget physical operation amounting to rupees 919 crores as per CAG. This resulted in an understating of overall debt by 1.14% of the GSDP. हे हुई ना हुई मुख्यमंत्री नांक सांगपाक जाय. Speaker sir, if you look basically जे फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंट आनी मॅनेजमेंट आहा हे काँग्रेस सरकारान 2009 बसयल्ले. आयक हांव सांगता स्पीकर सर, बाय कन्वर्टींग द फायनान्स कमिशन इंटू कमिशन सेल आतां थिंगा स्पीकर सर इश्यूज रिलेटींग टू RBI मॅटर्स, ओपन मार्केट बॉरोईंग, सेंट्रल फायनान्स कमिशन, सिंकींग फंड, गॅरंटीड रिडेम्पशन फंड, FRBM ते खबर आहा वचो येयलो दिगंबर बाबा हें खबर आहा त्याच टायमार जालो हें, PSUs, house building, motor car advance, NABARD loan. Speaker sir, whether these system exists now, who's monitoring? Whether this exists now, and my Congress and kind kelna monaka, whether they are tukli gona.
Government is a continuous process.
Temporia. So Speaker sir, now maga dista hui na hui austerity measures am घेतले ओ फक्त to promote the government post facto under आणि कितले event जातले. If you stop a event जे तुवें म्हाका आन्सर दिले ते भाशेन आपूण रीण काडना मू हें दुयेंस आपूण मारूं सोदिता तेज पद्दतीन हे इव्हेंटूय मातशें तुवें जरी तर उण केलें तुवें समज तुगे फिगर देंवलें जाल्यार आय विल कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट. थँक्यू स्पीकर.